Have you ever seen a drone floating perfectly still in the air? No wires, no pilot, just hovering like magic. Then it suddenly moves forward, turns smoothly, and captures amazing shots from high above. It looks simple, but there is actually a lot of smart technology working behind the scenes. So how does a drone fly? How does it move in different directions? And how does it stay so stable without falling? In this video, we are going to break down exactly how drones fly and how they keep their balance in the sky. What is a drone? A drone is basically a small flying robot. Most drones you see today are called quadcopters. This simply means they have 4 propellers. Each propeller is connected to a motor. By changing the speed of these motors, the drone can fly, turn, and stay balanced. These 4 spinning propellers are the secret to everything a drone does. How drones fly up and down. Let's start with the basics. When the propellers spin, they push air downward. This creates an upward force called lift. Lift pushes the drone into the air while gravity pulls it down. If the lift is stronger than gravity, the drone goes up. If it is weaker, the drone goes down. If both forces are equal, the drone hovers in place. So simply spinning all 4 propellers faster makes the drone rise. Slowing them down makes it land. That is how drones take off and land. How drones move forward and sideways. But drones do more than just go up and down. They also move forward, backward, and sideways. This happens by tilting. If all 4 propellers spin at the same speed, the drone stays still. But if the back propellers spin a little faster, the drone tilts forward. When it tilts, some of the lift pushes it forward. So the drone moves ahead. To go backward, it tilts the opposite way. To move left or right, it tilts sideways. So instead of wheels or wings, drones move by leaning in the direction they want to go. It is all about balance. How drones turning works a bit differently. Some propellers spin clockwise, while others spin counterclockwise. This keeps the drone from spinning out of control. To rotate left or right, the drone slightly changes the speed of certain propellers. This creates a gentle spin called yaw. That is how drones smoothly turn while flying. How drones stay stable. Now here is the most impressive part. How does a drone stay so steady? Even in the wind, inside every drone are tiny sensors. These include gyroscopes and accelerometers. They constantly measure movement, tilt, and speed. If the drone leans even a little bit, the sensors detect it instantly. Then the drone's computer quickly adjusts the motor speeds to fix the balance. This happens hundreds of times every second, so fast that you cannot even see it. It is like the drone is constantly correcting itself. Just like how you balance your body when standing. GPS and smart features. Modern drones are even smarter. They use GPS to know their exact position in the sky. This allows them to hover in one spot without drifting away. Even if the wind pushes them, they automatically return to the same place. Some drones also use cameras to detect the ground and avoid obstacles. That is why many drones can follow you, return home automatically, or fly very smoothly. It is not just flying, it is smart flying. So the next time you see a drone hovering above you, remember what is happening. For propellers create lift, changing speeds controls movement, sensors keep it balanced, and computers make thousands of tiny corrections every second. What looks like magic is actually physics, engineering, and smart technology working together. That is how drones fly and stay stable. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to TechSpark for more simple technology explained. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.